Hello guys, I'm back with another unboxing video of Amkette USB keyboard. So I do the unboxing of this USB keyboard which I bought from Amazon, and it cost me around 399 rupees. Okay, the actual model is Amkette Xcite Neo keyboard. The soft keyboard, and it's a multimedia keyboard with soft keys. So you can see it mentions Amkette Xcite Neo keyboard, multimedia keyboard with soft feel keys. It's a spill resistant design, stylish and modern design, and special shortcut keys. And it also has keyboard with rupee symbol. And on the back we have it mentioned as special features, that is easy access to advanced and stylish shortcut keys for easy access to multimedia and internet function. And it says ultra reliable with superior silver conductive film. Xcite Neo is designed to give you a trouble-free use for years. And smooth keystrokes. The keyboard designed with elegance as a special key layout which is both noiseless and smooth to touch. And there is something called UV magic. Special UV coating on keys prevents the letters from fading. These are the features of this Xcite Neo soft keyboard. And it has also given some features like mute key, calculator. These are the shortcut keys, and my PC, home, and email. All multimedia shortcuts like play, pause, next, volume, and volume up button. And here they mentioned Amkette Xcite Neo keyboard is an ideal typing companion and with a soft feel keys. And it also has 1 year repair and replacement warranty. And I have paid as the MRP mentioned on the box, that is $399. So this is the keyboard. As I mentioned, it's USB keyboard, and this is the cable. I'll just measure the length of the cable and let you know. And I'm measuring the length of the cable. So it comes around 50-inch. So length of the cable is 50-inch, and it's indeed soft, not much a noise. These are the shortcut keys, and this one is the multimedia shortcut keys, and it's very lightweight. It also comes with the alignment feature where you can increase the alignment. It has on both left and right side, and it has rubber padded for a good grip on either side. And it has color coded WS, DI is color coded with blue as well as arrow keys. Overall guys, this is a good buy for 400 rupees USB keyboard from Amkette. If you are interested in purchasing this USB keyboard, I have given the direct link of Amazon in the description below. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, click on like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.